just say them a look for justice for Jayden too. And them not have no love in them heart for Pitney. Yes, we gotta just talk the truth, man. Enough of them stay, sir. You understand? And out here, we love Jayden. We want to get justice for Jayden. I want to in there abuse on the step Pitney them. On the step Pitney them all asleep on floor. Meanwhile, una phone Pitney asleep. Yes, and you have some man, they're afraid to tell the woman say you're wicked. Listen, any man where in a house and you love your woman more than your Pitney, you's not the man. If you see the woman that treat you Pitney anyway, open up your mouth and walk well left it. A demons that you pick up. And anyone of my Pitney them, my boy Pitney them, may I tell you now this. If you don't have a woman and you don't have Pitney, I want to see her treat on a Pitney bad. Want to bring the Pitney come give me, you know. Because any home here says them a treat my grand Pitney them bad, you know. Listen, it's not go nice. It not go nice because we not deal with uno. Because if you don't love woman more than phone Pitney, something wrong. We not deal with uno no matter if you not my Pitney. We not deal with uno. Can't pick up old Jezebel in our life. Them can come treat me anyway, it's fine. But you see when it come out to my grand Pitney them, we not play about them. Because me have 4 boys, so I never understand how it hurt. You see how the dog them do to poor Jayden'S, you know, man. You see how the little baby there, every minute me there, him want run up out and him at 13. You understand? It really hurt to see what they do to poor Jayden'S, man. Oh, God almighty. Make we find Jayden and make we can bury Jayden, no, man. Make we find him. Him deserve to get a burial. Him deserve to get a burial. Wanna treat him like shit now. Make we find him now and bury him. Make we give him a burial, no, man. Make we send him off, man. On the too evil, on the deal with Jayden rough, man. And call on yourself family. What kind of family deal with him like this, man? Me I tell you now, you have a whole heap of woman will stay just like this, you know, man. I'm mischievous, but I look for you last night. And you have a whole heap of woman will stay like this, you know, man. But so there's something hurt me to how them deal with the little baby, you know. There's something hurt me. Anne-Marie still have her big lazy boy there. And she still have her grandson and her granddaughter. And yet still nobody can find Jayden'S. Well, everybody I get pushed out and me not stop talking. All I want a picture come out. Don't talk now, man. Picture go come out. On the too evil. Yes. Well, not everybody else are worried about what will happen to Uno. Nobody no care about Jayden'S. Junior Scott, you have evidence and get the umbrella. You come out, you are cry for auntie. You are cry because people are talking about the auntie. Well, everybody are going to suffer. The good are going to suffer for the bad. Just we can't find Jayden'S. Nobody now going to have no peace. And that me say. Nobody now going to have no peace of mind. Until that little boy find. Nobody ever have no peace of mind until Jayden'S find. Nobody. Everybody I get sure out now. Nobody. Nobody now have no peace of mind. Nobody. If we can't find Jayden, everybody, the good are going to suffer for the bad are going to suffer for the good. Everybody, every picture come out, baby mother and all come out. We want Jamaica to see the family, but with all the evidence from the police. We want Jamaica know the family, or with all the evidence with Anne-Marie them from the police. When Anne-Marie come out and did tell a lie, or they could have come out and said, no, we get the umbrella for Jayden'S. I write the story there. Tired can't find Jayden'S. Tired of it. Jayden'S deserve a burial. Yeah, man. Jayden'S deserve a burial. Jayden'S is somebody. Ram, come here, Pops. You understand? Jayden'S is somebody. All on act like you don't think that Jayden's Smith not a human being. Eh? The police them should have lock up everyone but the police them now do them work. You understand? The police them if they investigate them, they find out who get the umbrella. Who get the umbrella? Them get the umbrella the same day and them still go by the police station and go say Jayden missing. Jayden wasn't missing. Anne Marie and Mr. T and long neck girl, Jayden was missing. I wanna go do something to Jayden. Jayden was never missing. Jayden is not a missing child. Wanna go report false report on the make. After I know on the dash for the little boy. Wanna go and make a false report. Wanna what to forget lock up. Wanna do something to the child and then go up and go talk about Jayden missing. All I want to lock up, lock, stock and barrel, forget lock up over the yard. All the dog forget lock up. Wanna too damn wicked. Wanna go over police station and go tell lie. Only in Jamaica you can do them foolishness there. Only in Jamaica you can do them foolishness there and get away with. Anywhere else the whole of wanna get locked up. From the dog to the cat, everything in the yard get locked up. Too damn wicked and lie. You go make a mockery out of the police station. Only in Jamaica you can do them things there now. All you junior, should I get locked up? Can you withhold evidence from them? No. The whole of forget lock up from lock, stock and barrel. You have the evidence down there, you hold it and know say the family do something to Jayden's Smith. Jayden's Smith are missing. The family do something to Jayden's Smith because the little boy when him Spider-Man, Jumping Jack. They hurt Jayden because of Jumping Jack. Jumping Jack is here with us same way. The long neck girl have a daughter, she there with us same way. The big lazy boy with Jayden have to do everything for him. The only thing Jayden do is wipe him body. The way the boy big and lazy. Yet still Jayden got missing all long. You understand? And the evidence, they right out there, son, nobody no want to do nothing for find the little boy. It's really a disgrace, man. Wanna do something and get this little boy justice, man. And lock up everybody who have something to do with Jayden Smith, man. Too much corruption in Jamaica, man. Wanna lock up the people that will do something to Jayden Smith and stop make people who do something to people got walk free because of licky this and corruption. Wanna do the right thing at Jamaica, man. Too terrible. Tired of the foolishness. The family will do something to the little boy just a walk up and down free every single day. Every single day them a walk up and down free. The whole of them forget lock up and make we get justice for Jayden Smith. The little boy when everything him alright. Come out to hospital, alright. I saw you go just walk around and hurt people because you pick the drop, because you pick the Jumping Jack. Why make you never do something to your mama and your step papa, the big lion ugly man? Why make you never do something to Mr. T? Wanna come do something to Jayden because through Jayden don't have no family. Through Jayden, wanna consider Jayden as nobody. And now you can say the whole of Jamaica consider him as nobody. Cause the police them now do nothing for help with find Jayden Smith. Them now do nothing for lock up the dirty people them when do something to Jayden Smith. You think say people innocent and tell people lie? You think say innocent people tell people lie? And them want to ask the police them. You think say people who innocent just walk and just tell lie? Them tell lie for cover up them track. People who don't have nothing for either go talk the truth. And that me want to tell on the police. That for sure tell them now doing the damn work. Lock up the whole of them till them tell me where Jayden there. But because it's so corrupt down there. So damn corrupt. People know them can do anything to you and get away. Too much corruption, man. Too much. Tired of it. Tired of it. Too much corruption down there. Too much. Licky mess up the whole country. No Jayden have to pay the price. No justice for the little boy. Almost 7 months now. Nobody for help us find justice for him. The people that will do something to Jayden still alive. And still, so some people for just do things to people. And just continue with them life. No, it not gonna happen. If until next year, I'm still alive, still a talk about Jayden's Smith. But then I could talk about Jayden's Smith. I mean, then we still a talk about Jayden's Smith. On the too evil, man. Too evil. But the little boy could have there. Meanwhile, Anne-Marie and the long neck girl, Mr. T, him still a do what him for do. Tired of it, people. Justice need for serve. Justice need for serve for Jayden Smith. Jayden Smith no get no gone, no missing. Jayden Smith leave school and the family do something to Jayden Smith. The moment them can tell a lie, say the little girl, they no come tell nobody, say the little girl next door get the umbrella, Junior Scott daughter. That simple mean they have something for hide. So that's why them a tell a lie. They know exactly what happened to Jayden Smith. The all of them over that yard. They know exactly what happened to that little boy. Them come out and talk about them give Jayden Smith $1,200 a day for lunch. Let me ask you something, Jamaica people. If Pitney get $1,200 a day for lunch, what do you need Jayden have to borrow money from people for buy food? Why Jayden would have to borrow money from people for buy food? When I say people them tell lie right there so again. Eh? I'm going to play the video where Mr. T said Jayden Smith tomorrow. We played it last night. I'm going to play it tomorrow night again. When said Jayden borrow money from somebody for buy food and he tell Jayden not take nothing from nobody. Jayden offer to take something from people because Jayden don't get no lunch money. That is a clear sign that Jayden was not getting money for bring to school. Ush Pitney, we get money for go to school. I go borrow money from somebody for buy food. When they borrow money from somebody for buy food, I'm hungry. They're hungry. None of my Pitney them never have to borrow no money from the Pitney for get the food. None of them. See little one here will go to school every day. Him get every snack where you can think of. Him pick up every snack where he want to bring go with him at school. Plus him lunch. You understand? Him not have no need for borrow no money or beg nobody no food. And when Pitney hungry, Pitney asks for food. The little boy hungry, that's why I'm borrowing money for buy food. Him hungry, that's a sign. Say little boy hungry, and the devil that treat him good. It come out of your mouth, Mr. T. Me not make up nothing tomorrow night. That I go play over ya. For people sissy, who was some wicked people who come out here and talk about to give Jayden $1,200. The only day you give Jayden $1,200 was the day when you not go unalive him. That's the only day you give Jayden $1,200. Was the day when you plan to do something to Jayden. Unda give him last meal. Yeah. Unda already know what Unda do to Jayden. Unda plan everything. Yeah. You're going to talk about Jayden. But you tell Jayden. You see Jayden come with 2 plates of food. And you ask Jayden where get food from. Jayden say borrow money. You should have shame out on the mouth for that. That's a sign when somebody hungry. Hungry person I forgot to add up extreme for get food. So Jayden had to borrow from people for eat. Shame Shame, you should have shame. Then the long neck girl I got talk about Jayden Smith. I got used to take. She probably take Jayden up on drugs. Any pitney up on drugs. I look a jumping jack where you have there. Any pitney where they pan drugs. I look a jumping jack where you have where can't stand still for a moment. The one where Jayden lose him life for. Plain. That's who Jayden lose him life for. I look a jumping jack. The little bullfrog one where you have all over the place. So I jump all over the place.